Next topic is acidic character of the phenol. The phenols are weakly acidic compound. They turns blue litmus to red and also react with aqueous alkali to form the phenoxide or phenate ion. So this reaction will showing reaction between phenol and sodium hydroxide. It will give sodium phenoxide ion, and same time the alcohol, it can neither turn blue litmus red and nor it can react with sodium hydroxide. So this test distinguish phenol from the alcohol. Further, the phenol are stronger acid than alcohol. However, phenol are weaker acid than the carboxylic acid, which will having dissociation constant equal to 10 raised to the power -5, and they are even weaker acid as comparison to the carbonic acid, having dissociation constant or ST constant that is equal to 10 raised to the power -7. It is because of this reason that phenol do not decompose carbonate and bicarbonate, evolving carbon dioxide gas. Instead, phenol are precipitate from aqueous solution of phenoxide by bubbling carbon dioxide through them. So this reaction will showing the precipitations of the aqueous solution of sodium phenoxide by bubbling carbon dioxide from the solutions. Explanation for stronger acidic character of phenol than alcohol, as we can stated that phenol are stronger acid than alcohol. This appear rather surprising since both alcohol and phenol contains the OH group. In other words, the OH group attached to a benzene ring is much more acidic than the OH group that will attached to an alkyl group. To answer this question, let us compare the stability of the ion left after the removal of proton and the stability of the unionized compound. So let us first consider the resonance or resonance hybrid structure of the phenol. So this one is the structure number 1. Now this lone pair, it will take part in the pi bond formation with the ring, and this pi bond it will shift it toward this side. So negative charge that will appear on this carbon, and a fresh double bond between oxygen and ring of the carbon will get formed. The positive charge that appear on the oxygen. Structure number 2 will get formed. Now this lone pair, it will take part in the pi bond formation, and this pi bond it will shift it toward this side. So there is a fresh pi bond formation between these two carbon and the negative charge that appear on this carbon. Now this lone pair, it will take part in the pi bond formation, and this pi bond it will shift it toward this carbon. Now these two carbon having fresh pi bond and a negative charge that comes on this oxygen. In last, this lone pair it will take part in the pi bond formation, and this pi bond it will go back and a fresh pi bond between appear between these two carbon. So these are the resonating structure for the phenols. So as a result of resonance, it is very much clear from the structure number 2, 3 and 4 that the oxygen atom acquire a partial positive charge, and due to the partial positive charge on the oxygen, the bond between oxygen and hydrogen of hydroxyl group become bigger, and due to this it can facilitate the release of the protons. So after the release of the proton, the phenoxide ion will get formed, and the phenoxide ion, it is also stabilized by the resonance. So let us study their resonating structure. Now this lone pair, it will take part in the pi bond formation between oxygen and carbon of the ring, and this pi bond, it will shift it toward this side. A negative charge will appear on this carbon, and a fresh pi bond between oxygen and carbon will get formed. Then this lone pair, it will take part in the pi bond formation, and this pi bond, it will shift it toward this side. Now this carbon having a fresh double bond and negative charge that appear on this carbon. Then in next, this lone pair, it will take part in the pi bond formation, and this pi bond, it will shift it toward this side. So these two carbon having a fresh pi bond and negative charge that comes on this carbon. In last, this lone pair, it will take part in the pi bond formation, and this pi bond, it will goes back. So structure number 10 will get formed. So it is very much clear from the resonance or resonating structure of the phenol and phenoxide ion that they are both stabilized by the resonance. But if we can compare these two, then phenoxide ion is better stabilized as comparison to the phenol. It is very much clear from the structure number 7, 8 and 9 that the negative charge that will be carried by even the ring of the carbon. While if we can compare structure number 2, 3 and 4, which can involve the separation of the charges which are having both positive and negative charges, hence due to the participation of this structure, the phenol are less stabilized by the resonance. Hence phenol has a stronger tendency to form the more stable phenoxide ion by the release of protons. However, in case of alcohol, both the alcohol molecule and the alkoxide ion are represented by one structure each, and there is no resonance. Further, alkoxide ion, due to the presence of a formal negative charge on it, has a greater energy, and hence it is less stable than the alcohol molecule. Thus, alcohol have negligible tendency to form less stable alkoxide ion by releasing protons. So in last, we can say that phenol are stronger acid than alcohol because the phenoxide ion left after the release of proton is stabilized by resonance, but alkoxide ion is not. Then effect of the substituent on the acidity of the phenol. The acidity of the phenol is due to the greater resonance stabilization of the phenoxide ion relative to the phenol. Therefore, any substituent which stabilize the phenoxide ion more by dispersal of negative charge will tend to increase the acidity of the phenols, and any substituent which destabilize the phenoxide ion relative to the phenol by intensifying the negative charge will decrease the acidity of the phenol. So let us first consider the substituent which will having electron withdrawing group, and the most common are NO2, cyanide ion, halogen. These are the group which stabilize the phenoxide ion by the dispersal of the negative charge relative to the phenol. Thus they can increase the acidic strength of the phenol. So this group, they are represented by EWG, which means electron withdrawing group. They will decrease electron density on the benzene ring and subsequently on the oxygens. So they can disperse the negative charge and stabilize the phenoxide ion with respect to the phenol, thus increase the acidic strength. Then similarly, electron donating group, these are amines, alkoxy group, alkyls. They are destabilize the phenoxide ion by intensifying the negative charge relative to the phenol and tend to decrease the acidic strength of the phenol. So these group, they are represented by EDG, which means electron donating group. They will increase electron density on the rings, so they intensify the negative charge and destabilize the phenoxide ion with respect to the phenol and thus decrease the acidic strength. So in last, we can say that electron withdrawing substituent increase the acidic character of the phenol, while electron donating substituent decrease the acidity of the phenols. Next is the acid weakening effect of the electron donating group and acid strengthening effect of the electron withdrawing group is more pronounced at ortho and para position with respect to hydroxy group than at meta position, and it can be explained as both inductive and resonance effect influence the stability of the phenoxide ion left after the removal of the proton. In some cases, both inductive and resonance effect reinforce, while in other cases they may oppose. Whenever they oppose, either the inductive effect or resonance effect dominate depending upon the nature and position of the substituent on the benzene ring. So let us discuss the various factors which can influence the acidic strength of the phenols. So first of all, comparison of acidic strength of the nitrophenol, and in this case we can consider the resonance effect. The nitro group has both minus R effect and minus I effect. Minus R mean electron withdrawing resonance effect and minus I mean electron withdrawing inductive effect. But the plus R effect predominate over minus I effect in this case. Therefore, due to powerful electron withdrawing nature of the nitro group, all the nitrophenols are more acidic than phenol. A nitro group at ortho position and para position withdraw electron of hydroxy group toward it by a stronger minus R effect, while nitro group at meta position withdraw electron of hydroxy group only by minus I effect. Thus we can say that ortho and para nitrophenol are more acidic as comparison to meta nitrophenol. However, in case of orthonitrophenol, a little less acidic, it is less acidic than paranitrophenol due to the formation of intramolecular hydrogen bonding, which make loss of a proton little more difficult. So the paranitrophenol, that is more acidic as comparison to the orthonitrophenol, which will having the hydrogen bonding. In case of para and ortho, minus R effect is predominating, and in case of metanitrophenol only, minus I effect is operating. And it can further be noted that greater the number of electron withdrawing group at ortho and para position, more acidic is the phenol. So 2,4,6 trinitrophenol having 3 nitro group is much more acidic as comparison to 2,4 dinitrophenol, which will having 2 nitro group, then 4-nitrophenol, which is para, then 2-nitrophenol, which is ortho, then 3-nitrophenol, which is metanitro, as comparison to the phenols. So it is the comparison of the acidic strength of the nitrophenols. Then next is the comparison of acidic strength of the cresols. In this case, inductive and hyperconjugation effect is operating. The methyl group has positive I effect as well as hyperconjugation effect. The positive I effect means electron donating inductive effect. If we can compare inductive effect and hyperconjugation, then hyperconjugation effect predominate over inductive effect, positive I effect. Both these effects, however, increase the electron density on the hydroxy group, and hence all the cresols are weaker acid than phenol. Since the hyperconjugation effect can operate only through or only at ortho and para position and not through or at meta position, therefore M cresol or metacresol is a stronger acid than ortho and para cresol. However, due to stronger positive I effect at ortho position than at para position, orthocresol is weaker acid than paracresol. The ortho position, which is near to methoxy group, so it will having lesser distance, so positive I effect decrease with the distance. So due to this, paracresol is more acidic as comparison to the orthocresol. So if we can compare these three cresols, then phenol is much stronger acid as comparison to the metacresol, that will having the pKa value that is equal to 10. Paracresol will having pKa value that is equal to 10.18, and orthocresol will having pK value that is equal to 10.28. In case of phenol, the pKa value that is equal to 9.96. So on the basis of these values, the phenol, these are stronger acid as comparison to the all cresols. So it is the comparison of the acetic strength of the different cresol with the phenol. Then next is the comparison of the acetic strength of the methoxy and aminophenol. A methoxy group or an amino group, when attached to benzene ring, has plus R effect due to the presence of lone pair on oxygen in case of methoxy group and on nitrogen in case of amine group. These group having minus I effect due to greater electronactivity of the oxygen or nitrogen atom as comparison to the carbon atom that will attached with the benzene ring. When methoxy or amino group is present at ortho and para position with respect to hydroxy group, then it can push electron into hydroxy group by plus R effect. So these lone pair on the methoxy group, they will take part in the pi bond formation due to the plus R effect, and this pi bond, it will shift toward this side and it will increase the electron density on the OH group. Similarly, in case of para, these lone pair, it will take part in the pi bond formations between the oxygen and carbon of the ring, and this pi bond, it will shift toward this side, and this pi bond, it will shift toward this side, and electron density that will increase on the hydroxy group. So these are the case of the ortho compound, and this is the case of the para compound. However, when this group is present at meta position with respect to the hydroxy group, it cannot push electron into hydroxy group, OH group, since negative charge cannot move to carbon atom to which OH group is attached. So in this case, this lone pair, it will take part in the pi bond formation due to the plus R effect. Now this pi bond, it will shift toward this side, and this pi bond will be shifted toward this side. So in case of meta substituent, no electron density that will increased on the hydroxy group. So we can say that methoxy group cannot exert plus R effect at meta position, and it can exert only minus I effect. As a result of minus I effect, the electron density that will decrease on the hydroxy group. Consequently, due to which the hydroxy group of metamethoxyphenol become more acidic as comparison to the ortho and para methoxyphenol. So we can say that the metamethoxyphenol, it is much more acidic as comparison to the orthomethoxyphenol, and the paramethoxyphenol having the least acidic strength. So it is the comparison of the acidic strength of the methoxy and aminophenols. Then comparison of acidic strength of halophenols. The halogen have both plus R and minus I effect. Plus R mean electron donor resonance effect and minus I mean electron withdrawing inductive effect. But in case of halogen, the minus I effect predominate over the plus R effect. Therefore, all the halophenols except parafluorophenols are more acidic than the phenol. Further, since the minus I effect decrease with distance, therefore acidic strength of halophenol decrease in the same order. So orthohalophenol is more acidic. In this case, the halo group that is near to the hydroxy group, then metahalophenol, and parahalophenol is the weakest acid. In that case, halogen group is the farthest away with respect to the hydroxy group. Amongst the orthohalophenol, orthofluorophenol is the weakest acid due to a strong intramolecular hydrogen bonding. The acidity of the other halophenol decrease as the minus I effect of the halogen decreases. Thus, the acidity of the all orthohalophenol decrease in this order. The orthochlorophenol having the strongest acid as comparison to the orthobromophenol. Then orthoiodophenol and orthofluorophenol is the weakest due to the stronger hydrogen bonding between hydroxy group and the halogens.